So today, this is the final video of the $50 PC challenge. So we're gonna look at the stats, or like how we each did. So for Cinebench, I got a 3 out of 10. Whoops. Rudraw got a 6 out of 10. He did much better than me than that. And on 3D Mark, he also did better than me. 5 out of 10 compared to 7 out of 10. In Fortnite, we did about the same, with me getting 5 out of 10 and him getting 5 out of 10. But in Minecraft, well, Minecraft didn't work for me, so I guess he got that. So now for other things. For aesthetics, I got 5 out of 10, while he got 6 out of 10. For table management, we both got 5 out of 10. Part 2 that I got 6 out of 10. He got 9 out of 10. Storage, 3 out of 10 and 8 out of 10. I think he got those bonus points because he had like a leftover Xbox. I only got 5. I didn't have much left over. So he won. He had 60%, or I think 6 out of 10. And I got 60 out of 100, I think. And I got 44 out of 100. I think that's how it works. Okay, so that's it.